The most common concerns through pregnancy is the fear of pain in birth. And our bodies have three powerful built-in pain coping systems. And I'm going to talk about what those are and how we can use them to decrease labor pain and cope more comfortably with birth. So when labor starts, our body releases labor hormones, and those come out of our brain in little squirts and go to our uterus, basically. And that causes squeezes or contractions, sensations. And a lot of people don't realize that you get breaks, you get little pauses. And I encourage people to really focus on and embrace those pauses. And a way you can use that in labor is, like I tell a lot of my clients, as the contraction's passing, I tell them just blow that away or let that one go. A lot of times we get really tense, we're having an intense experience, and we just hold on to tension and pain a little longer than we have to. So as soon as those contractions start to pass, just do something to blow it away or relax, and then really take advantage of the break, the rest in between before the next one comes. This is not accurate math, but if someone was in labor for 12 hours, perhaps they're only feeling an intense contraction or sensation for an hour and a half total. I don't know, every labor is different, so there's not really any exact science or math for that. Another gift from our body is that when we're in labor, our body releases these really powerful pain-killing hormones. Endorphins are one of them. And as labor builds, so do these hormones. And these are really strong painkillers. And the way to take advantage of those is to try and have an uninterrupted birth as much as possible and keep stress at bay, because stress turns down these happy hormones, these natural painkillers. It also turns down the labor hormones. And then what we end up with is a pattern where labor is taking longer than it should because the contractions space out. And it's more painful than it needs to be because those happy hormones, those natural painkillers, disappear, or they reduce anyway. A lot of people probably know this, but if an animal is in labor in the wild and she feels threatened, her labor will completely stop. No matter what stage she's in, her labor will stop. She'll go find a safe place and then resume labor. And that's kind of what happens to us too. That's a survival mechanism. So with stress, everything shuts down so we could theoretically get to a safe place. Our brains and our intellect can't really override that instinct. Now, the third way that our body copes with pain in labor anyway is, well, this one actually goes for any time, the pain gate theory. And I won't go into all the geeky details, but basically we have nerves that if they're touched or have pressure will override some of the pain messages that go to our brain. And the way you can use that pain gate theory is during labor. If there's someone who can do massage or acupressure, hip squeezes, even being in the water can activate those nerves that override some of the pain. We see that, say, if you remember being a kid or maybe an adult who falls off a bike or something, or gets hit in the arm and you kind of go, oh, like it's automatic, right? Or when a kid falls down, we rub their leg or whatever they hit. And that right there is our instinctual way of working with that pain gate theory. So those are three ways that you can have a more comfortable birth. I go into a lot more detail about those and what you can do in my How to Ease Labor Pain class. So check out my links below for more articles and videos. Subscribe to my channel. I'm Angie the Doula, and I'm a doula and a prenatal educator and a doula trainer. So thanks for watching.